In the age of digital streaming, YouTube has become an essential part of daily life for millions. Known for its vast library of content, it also carries the familiar presence of ads. Recently, rumors began circulating that YouTube was quietly removing the skip ad button, a beloved feature that allows viewers to avoid long advertisements and jump straight into their chosen content. This sparked a flurry of concern among users who feared that their viewing experience would be marred by an increase in unskippable ads. YouTube, however, has addressed these concerns head-on, clarifying that they are not removing the skip ad button. Instead, they are experimenting with different formats and placements for ads, aiming to enhance both user experience and advertising effectiveness. The company assures its community that the changes are designed to offer more control to the viewers while also trying to support creators and advertisers with more engaging ad opportunities. The changes come at a time when digital advertising is rapidly evolving. With increasing competition from other platforms, YouTube is trying to balance the fine line between engaging advertisements and maintaining a non-intrusive experience for its users. They are exploring options like shorter ads, interactive elements, and more personalized advertising content that could be less disruptive yet still valuable. Many users have expressed a mix of relief and skepticism regarding the announcement. While glad to hear that the skip ad button isn't disappearing, some remain curious about what these changes will entail for their viewing habits. Will there be more ads in different formats, or will there be an improvement in ad personalization? Only time will tell if these adjustments will prove to be beneficial or burdensome for YouTube's vast audience. In the meantime, users can continue to enjoy the content they love with the reassurance that the skip ad button is here to stay, at least for now. YouTube's commitment to transparency suggests that they are aware of user sentiment and are working actively to accommodate the desires of both viewers and advertisers alike. In the bustling world of online content consumption, YouTube has long been a favorite sanctuary for millions. Providing endless hours of entertainment, tutorials, music, and more, it has shaped how we watch and experience video media. However, recently, the virtual streets of YouTube have been abuzz with whispers of a peculiar absence: the skip ad button. For so long, that tiny yet mighty button has acted as a gatekeeper, dividing the viewer from the content they've eagerly awaited. But, as some users have noted, it seems to have disappeared, leaving a void both physically on the screen and metaphorically in countless hearts. Greenfield, an avid YouTuber, was among the first to notice this curious disappearance. In front of his computer, nestled comfortably on his couch, he admitted to feeling an odd sense of unease. It was like the button just vanished into thin air, he shared with a chuckle, attempting to make light of his frustration. Others joined the chorus, sharing their confusion and mild annoyance. On Reddit, a user lamented their inability to skip ads, describing strange black rectangles appearing instead of the familiar countdown timer. It wasn't long before Android police weighed in, noting similar absences on mobile platforms. Speculations ran wild, with theories ranging from accidental bugs to intentional moves by YouTube to increase ad view times. The digital landscape buzzed with possible explanations. Some held optimistic views, considering it a temporary glitch, a nudge to appreciate the content creators who rely on ad revenues. Others grimaced, suspecting it to be a new, unannounced strategy by YouTube itself. Meanwhile, Vanita Singh, a tech-savvy college student, decided to take matters into her own hands, diving into the digital jungle to search for answers. After digging through countless forums, FAQs, and technology blogs, she emerged with a hypothesis. Perhaps it's a subtle way to test our patience, she joked, eyes twinkling with mischief. In the grand scheme of things, the disappearance of a button might seem trivial. Yet, for users like Greenfield, Vanita, and others, it highlights a fascinating aspect of our digital age: a dependency on small conveniences, forming a tapestry of modern life. Whether it's a glitch, a test, or a permanent change, the absence of the skip ad button has certainly stirred the pot, adding a sprinkle of intrigue to the daily ritual of streaming. Amidst a wave of speculation, YouTube has clarified its intentions regarding the iconic skip button on its ads. Addressing recent concerns, YouTube spokesperson Alua Faladun spoke to The Verge, assuring users that the skip button is here to stay, appearing after the usual 5-second mark in a playback. However, changes are afoot in the realm of ad presentation. Faladun explained that YouTube's focus is on reducing elements on the ads player, a move designed to foster deeper viewer engagement by providing a cleaner and more streamlined interface. Viewers on both desktop and mobile platforms may notice the countdown timer transforming into a progress bar at the bottom of the ad screen, hinting at a subtle yet impactful alteration. While the skip button's fundamental function remains unaltered, its display will undergo a transformation. This reflects a broader strategy by YouTube to heighten ad visibility and placement, a move that has sparked conversation across user communities. Compounding the conversation is YouTube's intensified efforts to combat the usage of ad blockers, a strategy that prompts deliberation among its user base. With ad visibility rising, the landscape for viewers who prefer uninterrupted viewing is shifting. YouTube Premium remains a banner solution for those seeking an ad-free experience, yet the increasing cost of this service does not go unnoticed. In an evolving digital climate where ad experiences are continually refined, YouTube's latest update signifies a careful balancing act. While attentive to user concerns, the platform is equally committed to maximizing its advertising reach. Users will have to adapt to these changes and decide whether the refined experience aligns with their viewing preferences. Ultimately, this update embodies a nuanced negotiation between user engagement and commercial interests.